নমস্কার।
नमस्ते सर।
মাছ করলে স্যানিটাইজার
सब सैनिटाइजर
নামলো
सब सैनिटाइजर सर।
ওই কোথায়
Mani senior mall belai limited sagi amui mano
potong. Datang tadi.
Jotono Hambai, Jotono Frunka. On this historic day, we are now conducting oath-taking ceremony for Chief Executive Member and other executive members. As per Constitution of India, 166 Schedule 1 Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985, His Excellency the Governor of Tripura has appointed G.K. Rao, Administrator of TTDC, to administer oath or affirmation to the newly elected members of District Council. So, I will call upon first CM will take on. As CM has been already elected in the first meeting, and it is known by everybody who is CM. So we have brought here, and he is sitting on the stage. Others member whom CM has selected, I will call upon their name one by one. Now first, Suhail Deborma has been selected as executive member. So I request Suhail Deborma to come over and take off. Oh, sorry. First, I call upon Purnochandra Jamatia, who has been elected already as chief executive member, to come here and take out.
Ang Musang Purnochandra Jamatia Matai ni menggai semai tanggai sajawu hak rakhe poito nargai semai tanggai sajawu ang Bharat Elembak ni bisingtei khaja kerongno poito kubuitei kharok bomoi sajawu ang Bharat ni phan keplai tei kathalai mungno khapang khulasa khulaioi khulai horoi Tongnai, anabok jak achok phang tipra samolok kai thang nai koljak hangkor kokjap nok ni sari phang adong okra ni samungno bebak ni pagai keboni bekha koyawi eba kirima kurei khulaioi eba baksano sajakma te baksano sajakya khulaiyawi eba kebono khorok sabai gedaloi eba khoijagoi samungno tanglak hangkor kokja nokni jai phang adong okra angoi kerongni bisingtei ano samung yapharjakmani eba ang saiman makhe a samungno tangpro kebobai dadak sidak eba kok rekewi sajaklak.
Thank you.
Ang Muchang Suhail Deborma Kaitorni Mungui Sumai Tangi Shazao Khak Rakhe Poitunargui Sumai Tangi Shazao Ang Bharat Elembak ni bisingtei Khazak Kerano Poitu Kubuite Khorok Bumi Shazao Ang Bharat ni Phan Keplai Te Kathalai Mungno Khapang khulasa khlai hori tongnai ano bokjak achukrem Tripura tiprasa baithang naikoljak hangkor koksap nokni charifang adong okra charifang adong ni samungno bebak ni bagai keboni bukha koyawi eba kirima kri khlai eba baksana sajak mate baksana chaje khlaiawi eba kebono khoroksa bai gedalei eba huijagui samuno tangla hangkor kokchap nokni charifang adong okra eba charifang adong ungui kerongni bisingti ano samung yapharjakmani eba ang saimanki a samungno tangphur kebo bai dadak sidak eba kok rekau saglak hamai
शपथ लानाय डली रियां
I, Srimati,
I, Srimati Doliria, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will hold up the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as Chief Executive Member for the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Chief Executive Member for the aforesaid District Council, except as may be required for the discharge of my duties as such Chief Executive Member. Thank you.
Now I request Rajesh Tripura, bo executive member ni bagai CM by nominated khaijaka.
Ang Muchang,
Ang Musam, Rajesh Tripura, Kaitone Mungoi Sumai Tangoi Sajao, Hakarakia Poito Nargoi, Sumai Tangoi Sajao, Ang Barat, Elem Bagni Bisingtoi, Kazak Kerong, No Poito Kuboi Te, Horok Bomoi Sajao, Ang Barat Ni, Pangkor Plai, Te Katalai Mung No, Kapang Hulasa Klayoi, Horoi Tongnai, Ano Bogjak Asokram Tripura Tiprasa Mulok Baithang Naikolja Hangkor Kokjap Nokni Sarifang Adongni Samungno Bebakni Bagoi Kebuni Bukha Koyoi Eba Kirima Koroi Klai Eba Baksano Chazakma Te Baksano Chazaya Klayawoi Eba Kebono Korok Sabai Gedalai Eba Wijagoi Samungno Tangla Hangkor Kokjap Nokni Eba Sarifong Adong Ongoi Kerongni Bisingtoi Ano Samung Yafarjak Mani Eba Ang Saiman Ke A Samungno Tangfuru Kebobai Dadak Sijak Eba Kok Rekoi Sagla
Lagi hambai, korok cini, kainai sani, cini neta, role model, korok, kero lokho tibrasano, salom nai. Apuni pore, চেয়ারম্যান সিজার দङ অবলিক ইএম বা ইএম इन सारिता बिसोर थांबाय
Pang Muchang,
Ang Muchang, Bobronjan Riang, Kaitoni Mongui, Sumai Tangui Sajao, Kakurake Puito, Narugui, Sumai Tangui Sajao, Ang Barot, Ilembagni, Bisingtui, Hagjak, Kerong No, Puito Kubui, Tei, Korok Bongui, Sajao, Ang Barotni, Han Kuplai, Tei, Utalai Mung, No, Kapang Kulasa, Klaiui, Horui Tungnai, Angno Bagjak, Achokrem, Kipra Sungduk Mulok, Baitang, Naipoljak, Hangkor, Kokchap Nokni, Charipang, Adongni, Samung, Bebagni Bagui, Keboni, Bukha, Koyawi, Iba, Kirima Kurui, Klaiwi, Iba, Baksano, Chajagma Tei, Baksano, Chajagya, Klayawi, Iba Kebono, Korok Sabai, Budalui, Iba, Hoijagui, Samungno Tanglak, Hangkor Koksak Nokni, Charipang, Adung Ongwei, Kerongni, Bisingtui, Ang Samung Yafarjak, Mani Iba, Ang Simon Ke, Os Samungno, Tangfruk, Kebobai, Dadak Sidak, Iba Kok, Rikui, Songlap, Hambai.
Honorable.
হাতটা তুলো না আমরা হ্যাঁ আমরা আছি ছোট মানুষ শুনতাম না ছোট মানুষ আছে শুনতাম না তোমার ফ্রেন্ড আয়া পরে না ঠিক আছে
Ang Muchang Unimal Development Kaitorni Mungai Samaitangi Sajao Kakrakhe Puitonaragi Samaitangi Sajao Ang Bharat Elembagni Bisingtei Khajak Kerongno Puitu Kubuitei Khorok Bomui Sajao Ang Bharatni Phankaplai Tei Kathalai Mungno Kapang Khulasa Klai Horui Tongnai Ano Bogjak Achukrem Tripura Tiprasa Muluk Baithang Naikoljak Hangkor Kokchap Nokni Charipang Adungni Samungno Bebagni Bagi Kebuni Bekha Koyawi Eba Kirima Gerei Klai Eba Baksano Chajagma Te Baksano Chajagya Klai Eba Kebono Khorok Sabai Gedalei Eba Huijagei Samungno Tanglak Hangkor Kokchap Nokni Charipang Adongungei Kerongni Bisingtei Ano Samung Yafarjakmani Eba Ang Saimanke A Samungno Tangpuruk Kebobai Dadak Sidak Eba Kok Rekewi Saglak Hambai
Ang Muchang,
Ang Muchang, Chittoranjan Deborma, Kaitoni Bungoi Sumai Tangai Sajao, Kha Krakhe, Poito Nargoi Sumai Tangai Sajao, Ang Bharat, Elembakni Bishingti, Khaja Kerangno, Poito Kubui, Tei Khorok Bomoi Sajao, Ang Bharatni Phan Kuklai, Tei Kathang Laimung No, Khapang Kulasa Klayoi Horoi Tongnai, Ano Bogjak, Achukrem, Tripura Songduk Molong, Baithang, Naikoljak Hangkor, Kokchap Nokni, Charifang, Adongni, Samungno, Bebakni Bagoi, Keboni, Bakha, Koyawoi, Eba Kirima Kuri, Klai, Eba Baksano, Chajakma, Tai, Baksano, Chajakya, Klayawoi, Eba Kebono, Koroksabai, Gudaloi, Eba Kuijagoi, Samungno, Tanglak, Hangkor Kokchap Nokni, Charifang Adong Ungui, Kerongni Bishingti, Ang Samung Yafar Jakmani, Eba Ang Saimanke, A Samungno, Tangkru, Kebowai Dadak Sidak, Eba Kok Kretoi Saglak.
Now I request in today's list, he is the last person, last executive member, Komal Koloi. I request Komal Koloi to come over here and take off.
Ang Muchang,
Ang Muchang Komal Koloi, Kaitoni Mungui Samai Tangi Sajao, Kakarake Poito Naragui, Sumai Tangi Sajao, Ang Bharat Elembakni Bishinte, Khaja Kerongno, Poito Kubuite, Khorok Bomoi Sajao, Ang Bharatni Phan Kuklaite, Kathalai Mungno, Khapang Kulasa Klai, Horei Tongnai, Ano Bogjak, Achokrem, Tripura, Samulo, Baithang, Naikoljak Hangkor Kokchap Nokni, Charifang Adongni Samungno, Bebakni Bagui, Keboni Bakha, Koyawi, Eba Kirimakari, Khalai, Eba, Baksano Chajakmate, Baksano Chajagya Khalayawi, Eba, Kebono Khorok Sabai, Gadalui, Eba Huijagui Samungno Tanglak, Hangkor Kokchap Nokni, Charifang Adong Ungui, Kerongni Bishinte, Ano Samung Yafar Jakmani Eba, Ang Saiman Ke, A Samungno Tangpro, Kebobai, Dadak Sidak Eba, Kok Rekewi, Sagalak, Joktanan Hambai.
We are almost concluding today's oath-taking ceremony of Chief Executive Member and Executive Members. Now little more is left behind. Borno Kumara Kumrioi Boron Khainadi. Then these